Hello, I'm back with yet another video. In this video I will be doing a 4x4. Just a warning, this might take me about over 4 minutes because I've just started, but please go ahead and watch. First I'll scramble it. Scramble it just a bit more. Okay, so next. Anyway, as usual, please time me if you wish. Well, I'll start now. I'm not actually a fan of these cubes, but I want to be. Well, it should be. Not that I want to be. That's the centers. Now for the edge. Sorry, I get nervous breakdown sometimes. Okay, almost there. So let's see. Sorry I'm taking so long, it's just that just started as I told you. You can skip it to the end if you want, by the way. The same. Don't have to, but you can. I think that's all the edges. Yep, that's all the edges. Now let's go ahead and solve the edges as a normal 2x4. But there's parity as well. Well, so it was my phone. Right after it's right. And the reason I'm not flicking it here because I still need to lube it. It's a bit silly of me making a video of this with it not lubed. But I'll do another video of me solving this when it's lubed. I'm gonna get it lubed soon. Music is. Done. I'll be posting more videos. Please subscribe for more videos and tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye.